Do you like fresh herbs, even in winter? With the Provence Self-Watering Herb Box by BioGreen, you can. Its modern, sleek design is easy to assemble. It is 16.5 inches long, 4.7 inches deep, and 3.9 inches tall. It comes with 4 baskets that have slots in them for water absorption. The baskets make it easy for transplanting if you desire. It is self-watering because the reservoir is on the bottom and it has a water gauge and an opening to fill it. Having the water come up from the bottom encourages deep root growth. Not having to water every day will ensure your herbs will never dry out or get overwatered. So if you like herbs all year long, get the Provence Self-Watering Herb Box by BioGreen today and enjoy for years to come.